Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, today is Friday, so please be careful. For the last couple of months, we have witnessed crazy amount of volatility during the US session. Nothing works. So if we get to see a similar scenario, forget about like technicals, forget about levels, just try to follow the trend of the market. Today we have Michigan consumer sentiment coming up. It's not a major event, but still there will be some volatility. So please be careful. Beginners, new traders, do not try to gamble. Do not think that at the time of news you will be able to double triple your account, because yes, it is possible, but gambling and trading go side by side. Sometimes we don't even know when we are gambling and when we are trading. Okay. And lastly, gold hits all-time high. Okay, yes. Yesterday something happened that nobody expected. Yes, we have been discussing about the breakout. Yesterday also we discussed about taking a buy above 2532, but nobody imagined that gold would go towards 2570 or gold would break 2550. Nobody. In fact, after taking a buy position, I exited around 2540. When market again came for some little retracement, again I entered. I took buy 3 times because the upside was crazy. So if you are having a buy on gold right now, then we can clearly see this is a super bullish market. Though historically September is not a positive month for gold, but this is super bullishness. So if you really want to make money in the market, if you really want to survive in this market condition, try to be on the buy position. After a few days, if trend reverses, that's a different story. But at this moment, gold is in buy, so try to be on the buy position only, because fundamentals are also pushing gold towards the upside. Okay, let's look at the markets, and gold hits all-time high. Gold hits new record. Gold sets record high. So this is the ongoing market sentiment. And what is the reason? Gold surged to around 2560 per ounce on Friday, setting a new record high amid a weaker dollar and lower bond yields. This increase followed new economic data that heightened expectations of more aggressive Federal Reserve action when interest rates are cut next week. So rate cut is the main reason behind this up move. You can see here, okay, gold prices soared over 1.5% to 554 per ounce on Thursday, driven by expectations of an upcoming Federal Reserve rate cut amid signs of a slowing US economy. So rate cuts, yes, happening by next week. Okay, and because of which we can also see a good amount of selling pressure on the chart of DXY. Right now, DXY is trying to survive above 101 level, but if the same market sentiment remains, okay, then we can expect DXY to break 101 level and go down. If this happens, DXY will be heading towards the ultimate support of 100.5. Okay, and when DXY will be breaking 101 level, we can expect gold to be bullish again. Okay, now let's look at the chart of gold. So again, I'm repeating, my dear friends, if you are having a buy on gold, okay, continue with the buy position, because of the ongoing market sentiment, further upside is possible. And if you're stuck on a sell right now, because many of you took sell position around last week also, okay, many of you took a sell when the September month started, hoping for a big drop on gold. Those who are stuck on sell right now, try to exit, because if the same market sentiment remains, we can expect gold will be heading towards the next resistance of 2600. Around 2600 we can expect a reversal, or market may not be able to break 2600 in this month, because we have looked at the options data also. Okay, on the option data, 260 is 2600 2600 is the next major resistance. Let me show you. So this is the options data in front of us, and we can see we have the highest number of contracts standing at 2600. Okay, though we have some reduction, but still we can expect a reverse around 2600. But 2600 is still far away. So if you're stuck on a sell and you're expecting a complete trend reversal, okay, don't try to do that. Try to exit, because if you do not exit at the right time, you will lose your whole capital. And yes, if you're a day trader, then we can expect some sort of reversal around 2595, 2600. Okay, I'll be going for a sell around 2600. But keep in mind, this data belongs to the futures market and we trade on a spot market. Okay, so it may not be exact 2600, but around 2595, 2600. If we see market is taking showing price rejection from above, we can go for a sell. Okay, but as a day trader only, because see, market sentiment is above all. Okay, and if we have a very strong level, then what will happen is, see, market will just come for retracement, and at one point, because of the market sentiment, market will break the level and market will go up. Okay, because market sentiment, okay, market sentiment always have a higher ground. And as a day trader, we do not have any strong level right now, okay, to look for a new position, because we can see clearly market is in uptrend. Okay, this is important. Try to understand. See, market is clearly in uptrend right now. We do not have any sign of retracement yet. When market will show sign of retracement, or when market will be coming down, then we can use FIBO or apply FIBO. But at this moment, market is clearly bullish, so we do not have any proper level. But yes, during the day, especially before the US session, if market comes down, obviously two sorry 2530 will be a support, because the previous resistance will be acting as support. But apart from 2530, okay, we do not have any strong level. But 2530 is far away, so chances of market coming to 2530 for retracement is very less. So what we can expect is market also coming around this particular level of 25, okay, 2560. You can also expect the market to come to 2555. These are few levels where we can expect the market to come down. Okay, but keep in mind, if market shows good amount of retracement, then it may not work, because these are not solid levels. Just okay, just minor price action levels that we are expecting to work if market shows retracement. But at this moment, we do not have any sign of retracement yet. So by the European session, if market shows sign of retracement, okay, you can use this particular point here. Okay, see, I am on the hourly chart of gold. Use this particular point here, and you can draw a FIBO from here. Okay, right now it may not work, okay, because market is still going up. Okay, you can just draw a FIBO here and try to take buy or expect a bounce around this area. If you're wondering why I'm considering this particular FIBO here, okay, I won't be able to explain in this video. You can join my workshop, which is starting from next week. Anyways, in this situation, okay, number of trading opportunities are very less, because if the same market sentiment remains, okay, in the coming days, we may not, it may not be a day traders market. Okay, remember a couple of months ago, okay, the gold was extremely bullish, so it was not a day traders market. See, we may see a similar scenario again. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. And again, I would like to repeat. Okay, let the market come down. Okay, let gold come for some retracement. So if you have ongoing buy, great. If you are looking for a fresh position, okay, try to look for buy at retracement. Where buy at retracement? Around 2555, 2560 if market takes support. If it doesn't work, then obviously 2550, okay, will be working as the support around this area. Okay, and if market doesn't come for retracement, what is the solution? Remember, buy at breakout. Okay, right now we can look for a buy at breakout above 2570, but always keep in mind, buying at breakout is riskier in comparison to buying at retracement. So if you go for a buy at breakout, be little careful, follow proper risk management. And my dear friends, if you're serious about trading and want trading to be as a serious source of income, then you can consider joining the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop, which is starting from 28th of this month. So this is the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop. It's a 7 days workshop that I conduct in both Hindi and English language. It's a workshop designed for those people who are struggling with the market, who are unable to make money for the last couple of months and years. It's a 7 days workshop followed by 1 month support where you'll be receiving regular market updates like this on WhatsApp. And we also have an awesome Telegram community where you will meet traders from all around the world to share ideas, ask questions, and lots of things. Okay. So, my dear friends, I have already discussed earlier also. It's a 7 days workshop. So, at first, there will be 3 consecutive classes and 4 weekly sessions. These are the dates here. You can join now also till the workshop. You'll be receiving free updates, analysis. Okay. And these are the topics that I have chosen because learning is endless. Okay, there is no end to it. But yes, it is very important to learn only those stuff that are required for us to survive in the market. So these are the topics, and these are the topics of the weekly sessions. Okay. And after the workshop, you will be receiving free risk management guide, checklist, risk calculator. If you are interested with prop firms, then you'll be receiving a Forex lot size calculator sheet for the prop firms. And if you are a resident of India, अगर आप इंडिया से हैं, okay, you must know that forex trading is very difficult in India, okay, because of legal issues. There will be a special session also. And all the classes are conducted over Google Meet, and no need to worry because of time difference. Many people cannot attend, so I record each and every session. Okay. And the best part is the fees here. It's only $20 for 7 days workshop and 1 month support. And if you're looking for personal sessions, if you want a long-term relationship or WhatsApp support from my side, you can consider joining the semi-annual or lifetime support. In semi-annual, you'll be getting 2-person sessions from my side to clear doubts, ask questions for learning, and in lifetime session you will be getting 6 personal sessions from my side. Okay, and obviously my friendship and lifetime WhatsApp support from my side. Okay, and these are the payment methods. Okay, once you're done with the payment, just share a screenshot to this WhatsApp number. I will add you to the group. That's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.